Take a moment to check out the 2019 Honda Civic. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Experience the perfection that is the Civic sedan. Smooth, efficient, sporty, aggressively powerful, loaded with the latest technology and refined style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moon roof, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, lane keeping assist, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC. It feels good to be in the sweet spot. The Honda Civic sedan will take you there. Take it out for a test drive today.